Does your room air conditioner is noisy? Even can't sleep? This unit was running very smooth and quiet. After a couple of years now it is noisy. As you can hear, there is a sharp noise. Let me show where from comes this noise. This is the old blower motor. We are going to compare the sounds. When I spin the shaft, there is a sharp noise. Now I'm going to check the new one. Listen to it. It is very smooth and quiet. So that sharp noise actually comes from the blower motor. I hope this video helped you up. If you would like to know how to replace the blower motor, leave your comment in the comment section. I will make another related video.